题就是怎样充足。不要睡觉，睡觉站起来听。嘿，睡觉的把它打一下。
站起来。
啊，这个呢就是说这一个牵来的我们怎么样充足。
This question is coming. I'm going death of birth circles.
就是出生又死，出生又死。你看人们都是在这样匆忙的生活。
This question purpose I'm teaching this graph.
就是怎么样呢？就是超过这一个人状，所以才跟大家说了这个图。
Okay?
明白了。
Okay. This is important question. This is my Prithvi of Guru. He is my Gurudev.
那么在这个地方是古鲁爹吧
Okay? Rupa Goswami ji told Brahmanda Brahmiti Kono Bhaktivan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade by Bhakti Lata Bhi yesterday explained already. Okay? And telling Sukriti. What is the meaning of Sukriti?
所以呢，Rupa Goswami就说了，如果说想得到 Bhakti Lata Bhi 什么，就是那个种子的名字叫什么？对，现在 Seva Vasana。所以呢，有这种有虔诚的人呢，才能够有这种。这昨天当然也是说过了。
Yesterday I told how Sukriti is protecting.
他也讲过了，Sukriti是怎么来的，在打井水啊，帮忙那些，记得吗？
Then Jivas meet to my and Guru Vaishnava's lotus feet. Bona fide Guru Vaishnava's
所以呢
lotus，feet.
有了这种好运呢，就是达到了咕噜维什瓦的莲花足。
And then like this we are coming Gurudev's lotus feet.
所以我们现在这样来也是等于是呢，就是说靠近咕噜爹莲花足。
And Guru Maharaj what is doing?
咕噜爹在干什么？
Where is coming from my Gurudev?
那咕噜爹从哪里来的？
Shri Gurudev coming from Radharani's lokas.
那么咕噜爹从那个拉里的星球来的。
That is you are not understand. We are also coming from Radharani's lokas. No. That is not Siddhanta. I am not crossing this neutral line. Any jivas cross this neutral line, never come back in this 14th lokas.
所以这里是咕噜爹啊，咕噜爹也在这个世界上，咕噜爹在教我们，但是他是从那个超然的世界来的。当我们不懂真理的时候，我们会觉得我们也是从那个灵性世界来的。但是这个不是西达达，这个不是真理。因为我们还没有超出这一条边际线，就超出边际线解脱的人永远不会再刷下来。
Gurudev's Leela is different. Gurudev's Leela can't comparison with material jivas.
所以咕噜爹现在时光不能跟我们的生活比较。
So herself, Hanunandani, very karuna means very merciful, and see my bad situation, see my how I'm burning tirtha, 3 type of misery, so burning, and Shri Krishna Ji is very merciful, and then thinking how I will help. Immediately on main room servant, maid servant, standing in this world. That is my Gurudev say.
拉达拉里啊，他是看到我们大家呢在三重不幸中苦受苦啊，看到我们这样受苦的时候呢，所以呢他就把他亲爱的那些女仆派下来来帮助我们解脱从这个苦海中解脱出去。所以呢，应该都知道，咕噜爹这形象是因为拉达拉里的仁慈，所以把他派过来才变成了男性的这个形象，咕噜灵性导师。
Listen.
听明白啊
We are singing daily. Nikunjiyo no ratikeli siddhai yayali virukti rapekshaniya tatra tidasha gati vallabhasya vande guru shri charana ravinda. But I don't know any realize.
每天我们都在唱这个歌，但是我们没有结果。
Maybe today you will realize really my Guru Maharaj Nikunji Leelas is very expert.
那么今天我们听了这些大家都能够体会到其实咕噜爹在那个尼坤者逍遥里面呢，他是非常上乘的，他能够呢就是非常懂得怎样去服务。
I'm not qualified. How I will knowing Guru Maharaj is expert this way. I am not qualified without qualification, how I know?
我没有资格，所以我怎么会知道古鲁爹那么厉害？就是说他呢，那么能让在那个灵性世界这样的服务。
Okay. So we are coming Gurudev's lotus feet, and Guru Maharaj coming from Aprakat Braja, and coming time, Kishore ji calling to Gurudev, Raman, come here, taking some seed. Shri Radharani giving some Krishna Vasana seed to my Gurudev.
就是呢，拉达拉尼啊，把古鲁爹派下来帮助我们的时候，他就说你要去啊，过来吧，拿一些种子过去。
And Guru Maharaj what is doing? Taking a very nicely one seed, and disciples giving in heart by seed, and by this seed covered by mantras.
所以呢，古鲁爹就每个门徒啊都给一个种子，然后呢用那曼陀呢去帮忙他。
Okay?
明白啊，种子怎么给哈？
This is a jiva.
所以这个是灵魂。
And Guru Maharaj is giving a Krishna Seva Vasana seed to Jiva's heart.
古鲁爹把这个奎沙西瓦瓦萨呢，就是说倾向于不奎沙的种子啊给了灵魂。
Okay?
都看到吗？
Isn't it? We accept Krishna Seva Vasana seed from my Guru Maharaj.
所以我们呢就接受了这个什么奎沙西瓦瓦萨那的种子呢。
Clear?
古鲁爹他们接受了。
Interest coming or not?
明白吗？明白吗？听明白了。
Okay.
How is it covered by mantras?
Sorry?
You
How
said
it's
it's covered by
covered by
mantras.
Because that seed we can't know. Mantras inside that seed. By mantras way, mantra going by ears, the mantra reach in heart. But mantras vibration mixing this seed, Krishna Seva Vasana seed, giving in heart. Then how possible? Which process Guru Maharaj is giving that seed in our heart? Mantra means this seed.
所以呢，就是说刚才呢弟弟说的这个那个曼陀呢，揭盖的是什么？就以曼陀的这种方式盖住这种子，通过曼陀呢，古鲁爹给我们讲第二次启迪的曼陀就表示把那种子通过曼陀从耳朵那边进到我们心里这样子。
Okay? Krishna Seva Vasana seed coming. Now we are chanting Gurudev's mantra.
那么现在我们呢会唱古鲁爹的曼陀。
I am asking all devotees, giving answer me. Any devotees want Tal, Atal, Bital, Sutal, Talatal, Rasatal, Patal, any loka?
有没有人去过？是 you asking you anybody going there？
No, any devotees want any this loka?
就是说他说的是我们要唱这曼陀，大家听好了哈。有没有人愿意到下边的7个楼高那边去？
No. All devotees, I am not telling all devotees telling. Because why he is not telling, why he is telling no?
所以说他说的不是叫你们说不，而是你们自己发出来说不的哈。
Why is telling?
那么你们不去，为什么不去呢？
Understand this thing also. Very, very necessary. Very general knowledge this.
好简单，为什么不去？
痛苦啊！
Because,
Sorry，
because, listen, patients feeling listen.
想听。
Very, very interested and very general knowledge this class. Because Guru Maharaj giving that seed is not any loka's potency. This my seed potency only Krishna Sarva.
因为呢，我们现在都有了古鲁爹给的种子，所以我们知道了要去哪里。那种子只有往一个方向才会长的。所以那些没种子的人，你跟他说这个星球，他们也会去的。就因为我们有种子，所以我们说不去那边。
According my potency, Krishna Seva can't find this
因
sloka.
为呢，古鲁爹的种子是给我们什么 Krishna Seva Vasana 是吗？所以呢，这里边呢找不到去服 Krishna 的地方。
This purpose, we will reject all
所
lokas.
以他们不吸引我们，所以我们说不去。
Okay? Clear?
听明白了，这一点应该是大家都很明白了。
What time? Yes.
哦，still have problem.
Maybe I'm not take out this chapter any day. according the rest day, any day, you will call me. So many devotees come here, that is a very obstacle. Only I will go there and giving class. If I'm try to finish that class, if I'm not successful, then later I will do it.
他说的是他会讲这些东西，如果没有讲完的话，下次会讲。到时候看一下吧，反正他夫妻生产的他就是他家的拜的。但是如果说我们要听课的时候，可以打电话跟他联系，讲安排时间。
If any devotee is interested, must come in my class. I'm not interested. What can I do?
如果说大家想听的话呢，到时呢就可以跟他联系。但是说忙不过来，那就是另外一回事。They want to listen only to PG.
Okay. My Guru Maharaj is giving this seed, Krishna Seva Vasana seed. My Bhakti Kripa, by this seed, Kripa is came out.
所以呢，这个就是通过这个种子啊，那么呢，这个呢就开始呢就是有叶子发出来。
This Kripa came out, and this Kripa going all lokas.
那么所以呢，这个曼糖呢，它就到处都去。
Kripa kind of like.
但是在这边呢，他们不喜欢没有合适的水。
Because Kripa saw, oh, I have a Krishna Seva's potency. Here no Krishna Seva. How am I
就
staying?
是我有想服务归想的倾向啊，就是有这种力量、能量的倾向，但是这边找不到这些东西。
And then this Kripa is returned.
然后这个曼糖啊，它就往上走了。
Again coming is Prithvi Loka.
又回到了地球。其实呢，曼糖去了下边了，又回到。
And searching everywhere Prithvi Loka, where I will go, where I will find.
然后他就去找
Very nice Hari Katha.
找哪里有很好的哈利katha。
Some, as like I'm hearing that my heart is some pure, my bhakti is going
就
on.
是听哈利katha话得到净化，那后面又在发展。
And anyway going to Damodar, Radharaman,
有时候
Govinda,
去拉达
Gopinath,
达或者这些神庙啊去祷拜的。
praying lotus feet of Radharaman, He
那
Radharaman.
么就是去礼拜拉达布想，
Please
向他
help
们祈求
me. And anytime
帮助
I'm
我。
praying this dust,
最碰触的就是圣地的那尘土。
oh, the dust is not ordinary dust. My Sanatan Goswami ji told the dust is also Satchidananda
你知
dust.
道这些尘土不是普通的，都是属于撒切那的。
Please, this dust, please help me, please help me.
就是请他们来帮助我。
Please showing me Krishna's sweet pastime.
就让我看到呢，कृष्ण的甜蜜逍遥释放。
Why chance this dust is told me? No, no, no. You
也
are
是说
not
那些
qualified.
尘土说呢，你没有资格，我不会给你
No,
看
no,
到那
I'm
逍遥
not
释放。
showing. I'm not showing Krishna's Swarupa, Krishna Leela Dham. No, no, no. You are not
他说
qualified.
你没有资格，所以呢不给你看到这些。
Okay. You not qualified. Really, I am unqualified. I'm accepting.
是的，我也接受，我是没有资格。
You are giving this memory. Why this memory? I'm all time I'm chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
就是
Hare
你给我记忆，这样呢，我唱诵的时候，他就
Hare Hare. And
会
chanting times
在唱诵的时
I
候，
will remember. Don't see. Okay. I'm
不给我看到
unqualified.
没关系，但是让我记得。
I'm unqualified. I have no eyes
Oh,
see
mayo na
the
God.
picture. But please, I'm requesting that all sweet pastime manifestation my heart and my time to time chanting and remembering.
我没有资格看到，但是没关系啊，就让我呢，就是记得，当我在念诵的时候呢，我能够记得。
Can they do?
这样可以吗？带着这样子。
No harm.
这也没有什么损害的。
This is a bhajan process.
这也就是做从8点做实
How
践
I
的
will
过程
do。bhajan?
怎
This
样去做实
Guru
践？
Maharaj told that process you will do bhajan.
五点就是要说要用这种程序这样去做8点做崇拜。
If I am doing like this sadhan bhajan, that possible any aparad or any offense and criticize coming?
如果说我要是这样去做我的实践崇拜的话呢，还会有时间去批评人家吗？会去做冒犯吗？
Tell me.
但是他不会有时间。
No chance. So why I'm not following this process.
所以如果是这样的话，为什么我不跟随这条路去走呢？
If I'm doing like this bhajan, then Srila Jiva Goswami Pad in Brahma Samhita's Tikas, commentaries, तू लेट क्यों आया? आज बेवकूफ तूने इतनी बड़ी क्लास को तूने आज मिस किया. Yeah, Shri Brahma Samhita's Shlokas Tikas Sri Jiva Goswami ji done.
基约哥说明在 Brahma Samhita 那个评论中他说
He told Upasana is two types of Upasana.
Upasana 就有2种，
First, Mantromay Upasana.
首先呢是曼陀 Upasana，
Second, Swarasiki
第
Upasana.
二种呢是 Swarasiki Upasana。
First, Mantromay Upasana. Second, Swarasiki Upasana.
啊，第一种呢是学 mantra Upasana， 另外一种就是 Swarasiki 就自发已经自然出现，不要睡觉还是不行。这些东西都很深的，而且呢就很专注听。
Two types of Upasana.
Mantra Upasana 和 Swarasiki Upasana。
Now this question is coming, what is the meaning of Mantromay Upasana or what is the meaning of
所以现在
Swarasiki
就出现
Upasana?
了，就是说 mantra Upasana 和 Swarasiki Upasana， 你们都应该请了咕噜店的那个崇拜机密班大小，我已经翻译好了，100块1本。你们如果说有看过书的话，你们就会知道找到这些字，都里边都有。也是弟弟干的那本书是。
Understand?
崇拜机密啊，所以呢，在这里没有，你们要定完了在中国跟我要。就是所以现在你不明白，就是因为你们没看这些书，所以你们对这些词很生疏啊。
Why so I'm deeply going this my lecture so much deep? Why?
那么为什么弟弟呢？就是说他要讲这些东西啊，讲这么深啊？
Because this is not my lecture.
因为这不是他的课，
That is my class. Miss, my Gurudev sitting my tongue
因
and
为咕噜爹给他力量，把这些东西说给大家听啊。如果大家没有去拿的话，那是自己错过了。
and himself Guru Maharaj teaching us.
所以咕噜爹自己呢在教导我们，
We are student.
我们全部都是学生。
I'm learning and Guru Maharaj teaching.
那么我们在学习，咕噜在教导。
Then very if I am very concentration mind, we learn and then get
如果
benefit.
说我们很专注、集中的去学习呢，就能够得到啊。
If I'm not concentration mind hearing, no again chance in coming.
如果说要是不专注集中的话呢，那就是没有机会听了也是不见。
This purpose I'm going very deeply.
所以呢，他就会讲这些深的给人讲。I also ask them to read the Bhajan Mahasya so they know this Sanskrit words easier when listen class. Like Bhajan Mahasya.
Bhajan Ras is so tough for that Chinese devotees.
They were reading some people already.
Someone
But then you say Mantra Upasana, Swarasiki Upasana, this is not that. This is
no, not to Bhajan Ras. The Jiva Goswami ji wrote in Brahma Samhita.
Brahmas. I know, but they can read these books, then they get accustomed to these words.
Bhajan Ras is very, very important. Very important. If we are hearing and we are reading sincerely Bhajan Ras, all questions automatically solved.
他说的是，刚才我就跟他说，因为我跟你们讲了，我也要告诉他我跟你们讲的。所以就是说，这《崇拜机密》这本书啊，如果真正的非常专注的去读的话呢，任何问题都得到解决，得到回答。到很厚的书，到时候再说吧，到时候他找我说就。他们很多人，我已经派出去了几百本了，当然不是讲每个人都有。
Okay? Up now this
所以
question is
呢，就是滴滴叫大家要集中的，看书也是一样，听课也是要集中的这样。
This question is coming. What is the meaning of Mantromay Upasana? What is the meaning of
所以现在我们就要问这个问题了：什么叫做 Mantra Upasana 和那 Swarasiki Upasana 呢？这两样东西到底是什么？
I'm telling according my Gurudev's mood.
他呢会按照咕噜爹的情感这样说。
Mantromay Upasana means I'm chanting Krishna name.
Mantra Upasana 就表示我在唱诵Krishna名字的时候，
chewing only Krishna's one sweet pastime.
那就表示呢，我只呢陶醉于专注于非常的一样逍遥。
Only one sweet pastime. Example.
那例子就是，
how Yashoda Maya bind to Krishna
像呢妈妈要求的绑非常的时候，
and all Krishna's friend teasing to
那
Krishna.
么呢非常的就是哎，非常你中间今天都被绑了，
Now you find punishment
现
and
在你就是
teasing
受
and
受
clapping.
到了惩罚了，大家鼓掌说好啊好啊。
And Krishna told, okay, you push my grand motor and then I'm going that side.
可以想说那好了，你们笑就笑了，说就说了，反正我也是被绑住，你们也解不开，干脆把这个点帮我推前边去吧，我要到那边去。
I'm chanting Krishna name Hare Krishna Hare Krishna.
那么也这奉献者的话，这唱诵哈利krishna哈利krishna曼陀，
I'm doing this lila.
就是在想着这些逍遥时光，
Not another.
没有其他的，只有这一种逍遥时光。
Only once a time, one lila, I'm chewing and chanting Krishna name. That called mantromay upasana.
所以呢，如果说只是呢，就是唱诵一个曼陀，在想着一种逍遥的时候，就叫做 mantra upasana。你们写不出这些字没有不要紧的，你就写个曼字，然后你
Mantromay upasana. Clear?
明白哈、哦？曼陀upasana就是说唱诵当中想着一种逍遥。
Now Swarasiki upasana.
接下来是 Swarasiki upasana。
Why
Hare Krishna, because they need to write this Sanskrit word in Chinese. 你们现在先不要写完，就写的话写的天都亮了。
Really, Chinese devotees so lucky. They are hearing Hari Kathas.
结果他说的中国奉献者还是非常幸运的，都是听这些很高的哈利克塔，而且大家也很想听哈利克塔，非常幸运。Gurudev give mercy so that they accept.
Without Gurudev mercy, nothing doing.
我说的是 Gurudev 给大家仁慈，要不然你走都走不过来，会在家里睡觉。
Okay, now I'm coming to Swarasiki
接
upasana.
下来是 Swarasiki upasana。
What is the meaning of Swarasiki upasana?
Swarasiki upasana 是什么意思？
Means like this a garland, flower garland.
就像一个花环一样。
One flower, second flower, third flower, all flowers make a one garland.
那么这很多，你们现在不听再写的话，等一下他说的你们就漏掉了。就像一个花环一样，很多花串起来。
Similar, according the time, automatically by this chain way, Krishna Leela I'm tasting that called Swarasiki.
也就是说，通过这个时间啊，然后这一条线呢，就像一个花环一样，你看像穿过来什么花什么时候，然后呢，就是一个人呢进入这种状态的时候呢，他呢就是能够呢记忆Krishna不同的逍遥时光。
Not only one sweet
这个时候
pastime.
不仅仅是一段逍遥时光，而是各种逍遥时光都出现。
According the time, automatically chewing Krishna's pastime, time is going and Leela is on going on.
所以呢，按照时间呢，就是说时间再走啊，那逍遥时光也会再出现。
This purpose Krishna Leela is 8 yam Leela.
所以呢，就是我刚才也说，崇拜机密里面就是把这逍遥时光说的是8个呀嘛。
Okay?
有读过书的人就会点头了，就知道了；没有的没读的还不知道。
Like
读
this
过的
I
人
am
知
giving
道呀嘛是什么意
example.
思。
I'm giving
好，现在就
example.
举例子。
Now today is Sunday.
那么今天呢是星期
Okay,
天，
today is Sunday.
今天是星期天嘛。
And Radharani's finished Yashoda Maya's Bhavan's palace, kitchen, but
那
everything.
么拉达拉里已经在呢，就是妈妈要修达那边就Krishna的家煮好的东西了已经。
Shri Brishmanandani without Shyam Sundar can't feeling good.
那么没有Krishna的话呢，就是拉达拉里这时呢没有快乐满足的感觉，
I don't want taking lunch prasad.
他也不想吃东西。
But Shri Yashoda Maya forcibly giving Shri Brishmananda took the Radharani's body and keep in lap and herself Yashoda Maya giving to prasad Radharani's.
那么因为拉达拉里他没有Krishna，他不想吃，而且他也想Krishna相吃了。那这个时候呢，妈妈耶稣达也非常爱他，他爱他不会低Krishna，所以他把拉达拉里抱在他腿上，给他做，然后呢用手亲手呢喂给他吃东西。
Radharani is very forcibly eating.
那么拉达拉 非常强行的给他吃东西。
I'm not going deep, only external.
只是呢，就是说跟大家就是稍微就是描述一下。
And Radharani come back in Jagat. Immediately, Jatila told, Radhe, you don't know, today is Sunday. Go to sun worshipping. बोले okay, okay.
那么拉达拉你回到加瓦的就加伯啊，就听了马上说，嘿拉姐，你不知道吗？今天星期天，马上去做崇拜。
And Shri Kishori ji going to Surya Kunda.
那么 Kishori ji 啊，就是拉达拉你另外一个名字就是美丽少女这样的。
And how
然后他
Krishna
就
is
去太
coming,
阳湖那边崇拜。
how Krishna meet you in Kusum Sarovar, and many deep and many very long this Harikatha. Maybe knowing, if they are not knowing, later I am explaining. And how Radhin meet to Kusum Sarovar, and Sri Jatila came there. Immediately Krishna changed her form, means on decoration, coming in Batu Brahmin Swarupa, and herself, Jatila requesting to that Brahman boy, hey Brahman boy, please help my daughter-in-law and worshipping son.
Kusum Sarovar means in Surikand.
No. Shri Kishori ji is collecting some flower from Kusum Sarovar.
Like going to
That,
Surikand.
yes.
This pastime of Brahmin is in
Yes,
Surikand.
yes.
然后呢，就是说啊，接下来时光是这样的，那时候要赶快去崇拜太阳神啊，去太阳湖那边，然后，那么拉达拉里说好的，他马上到了库苏玛沙洛呢，就是说花湖那边去采花，采花的时候呢，在这其中啊，跟 Krishna 啊，也就有相这样的那逍遥，后来被九地人知道了，他就赶过去的时候 ，Krishna 马上呢就是换装，变成了婆罗门徒。 然后那个时候呢，九地人看到他们正好说，哎，你们婆罗门族帮我们去做崇拜，就这样。
And
在下时光不知道的话，到时候他也会。
Sadak is chanting here.
那么作为这个是这样子的，这个唱诵哈利路亚。
And what is chewing?
在想着什么？
Oh, how Brahmanandani going to
哦，
Surya
就
Kunda.
想拉达拉也去那苏列昆达。
Shri Radharani is not alone. Radha, Vishaka,
他不是一个去，他有很多巴拉木姑娘啊，拉利亚、萨卡等等。
Rup Manjari, Rama Manjari, Rati Manjari, all Manjaris surrounding this Mahanandani. She is going at Surya Kunda.
去了苏列昆达那边。
How Krishna change on his dress, and how Krishna helping to Radharani.
然后呢，帮助他做崇拜。
How Radharani worshipping to Surya.
就
Actually,
在
who
那
is
边崇
Surya
拜太
there?
阳神。
Who is sun there? How Radharani is worshipping.
拉达拉你怎么崇拜？
That's it. Sweet pastime
接下来时
chewing.
光是非常多，然后
Where chewing?
很多很多。
Anywhere, Sadak is sitting anywhere.
一个人的心纯洁，进入这种状态的时候，下时光就。
No need only Vrindavan. No need
他
only.
已经不知道他自己在哪里，哪怕你不是。
No need only Brajchorasi post. No need only Mayapur Navadip. No need only Jagannath Puri. Everywhere.
不一定说要在南华地或者加连那不知道。那么这在哪个地方都好，但是心意的老。
Everywhere reading and then everywhere staying and chanting this sweet pastime.
在哪世界上的哪个角落都好，只要这样唱诵或这样想的话呢，其实他就再也问到问题。
Actually, this is a bhajan process.
这也就是时间的周期，
Yeah. Chanting time only chewing.
就是这样唱诵，然后呢就
Only
唱诵，然后呢就这样的想象。
chanting time. Close her eyes.
闭上眼睛。
Attend. And how you are feeling that time? You are feeling. I am also very small
就想自己
maid servant. And my Raman Manjari, my Rup Manjari, so much
然后呢，我们
loving
姑
me.
娘啊，曼加里啊，有曼加里啊，就是很甜蜜的看
Meet
我
me
们，
time, some teaching me.
给我呢一些
And
教导，
so
怎样去
loving face,
我
my
们
head.
呢，
And also I'm very happy that
我们呢也是会学习啊，自己呢这种生活的进步。
no, not only watching.
那个时候
You take part of that
我
Leela.
是自己呢已经进，说了 Siki means 说了 Siki 就是说就表示我自己已经进入逍遥里了。
You will take that Leela's part.
Because Swa means myself also inside.
Take this sweet pastime part. Otherwise,
因为呢这个是非常高峰的来。